Okay, before you run the first time, there is a sticker here on the top, so you need to remove it like this, and then probably this part is the cover of the camera. It should go out. Okay, you just press it on both sides and then it's go off. This is your lens protection, so make sure after you finish your flight to put it again, and you have another sticker around the camera itself. I don't know why they done it, but you can remove this sticker as well. And let's see how to get it back to place. You just probably press, yes, you just push it and then it is okay. Okay, the way to take it is just put your finger on the top, on the bottom of this plastic, and just press it a little and it goes out easily. This is something again to practice before you are doing your first tries. Of course, you can remove now the stickers of the propellers when you know by the color which is A and which is B, so you don't need them. And then just charge the battery and the battery of your goggles and the battery of your remote, and then you will be ready for your first try flight. Okay, about this top cover, so as you can see, it came with transparent cover, and you can replace it probably with this Allen key screw, and you just need to open, I see here on the rim, 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. You have the screws here, probably 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you can replace this part. I don't see why I would like to do it, but anyway, this is just in order maybe to mark your drone or write something, or I don't know what. I have another part that I don't know yet what it is, but this is a converter between Type-C to regular USB. I don't know why they put it, probably to connect into the drone from your PC to get photos out or the video of your camera. This is just a guess, but I don't see any other reason to do it. Thank you. Okay, so few tips after activating it. First, it takes about 1 hour to activate everything. You need to take it into account. Second, you have an application that you need to download from DJI, which is called DJI Assistant, and then you will have to connect with your computer USB to each part. First you connect to the goggles, and then you're doing a firmware update. You do the same for the drone itself and also for the remote control. After you complete everything, I can show you that I can control the gimbal. I can rotate it up and down with this rotation key on the remote control. So I have a full control, and I can see everything also in the application and also in the goggles. Another thing to take into account is that you have also to connect between the goggles and your phone. So I have here a cable, I connect it, and there is also an update from the phone to the goggles. So there are few steps in order to make it all to work. It took me about an hour, and you should recharge each of the battery because it takes juice from the battery. For example, the goggles battery is 50% after doing all this procedure, so take it into account. Other than this, of course, the most important thing that I think is to disconnect the propellers before doing all the setup, and also not to forget to remove the camera protector, because the gimbal is starting to move during all the process and you don't want to catch the camera while it is trying to rotate. So take into account an hour, charge all your batteries, download the application, do the firmware update for the drone, the remote and the Googless, and then connect between the application, update the application on your smartphone and connect it to the Googless. The adapters that I didn't know what is the purpose of it, so this is the adapter to connect to your phone. So you need it in order to connect and run the application from your phone. That's all. Hope it is useful to anyone. Thank you and bye.